दास्तान करबला एपिसोड 3। औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्नल हुसैना मिस्बाहुल हुदा व सफ़ीनतुन निजात। Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Imam Hussein alayhi salam is the lamp of guidance and the boat of salvation. So on the topic of this hadith, I have made two videos, and in that videos I have explained about this hadith. But today I am going to explain a new hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is also about Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Prophet said, Husaino minni wa ana minal Hussein. Imam Hussein alayhi salam is to me and I am from Imam Hussein alayhi salam. By this hadith, Prophet is telling that Imam Hussein alayhi salam is from me and I am from Imam Hussein alayhi salam. In this hadith, Prophet is declaring that Imam Hussein alayhi salam is like that he had saved the Islam. So he is saying, Husaino minni wa ana minal Hussein. Hussein is from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Prophet also said that I am also from Imam Hussein. So Imam Hussein alayhi salam was very beautiful, brave, and we can say that Imam Hussein alayhi salam have many titles. Aba Abdullah, Sayyidul Shuhada, and many more titles Imam Hussein alayhi salam had. But the most famous title are two that I have told you now, Sayyidul Shuhada and Aba Abdullah. He is known from these two titles, and he is famous also from these two titles. First is Aba Abdullah and second is Sayyidul Shuhada. What does Sayyidul Shuhada means? Sayyidul Shuhada means the leader of the martyrs, the leader of the people who have been martyred. So his title is Sayyidul Shuhada, and he was so beautiful that when he would come out, then the children who were playing there, used to play there, they would stop their game to see Imam Hussein alayhi salam. They stopped everything, but they started seeing Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and his face was like this that everybody wanted to see the face of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Now I am going to present the three martyrs which happened in Karbala, and like this we will go on the every videos. There are 72 martyrs of Karbala. Shaheed Karbala are 72. So I am going to present about three Shaheed Karbala today. The first is Janabe Hur. Janabe Hur on Shab-e Ashur came to Imam Hussein alayhi salam and said, Ya Maula Hussein, please forgive me. And Imam Hussein alayhi salam had forgiven him, and then he granted the permission that give me permission of dying, but the first tomorrow. Imam gave him the permission, and then when he came in the battlefield, he fighted the Yazidi army, but when everybody took him in a circle and then they attacked him, then Janabe Hur alayhi salam got martyred, and after this Janabe Zuhair bin Qayn, he came in the battlefield and fought for a time. Then Imam Hussein alayhi salam called him back for namaz. At the time when everybody was worshipping, and Zuhair bin Qayn with some people were protecting them. But when Yazidi started the attack from the arrow, then Zuhair bin Qayn came again in the battlefield after the namaz, and then he started fighting the Yazidis. But now they all came together to fight him, and while Janabi Zuhair bin Qayn was fighting, a Yazidi came with a spear and he put it in his back, and then one came from front, and like this Janabi Zuhair bin Qayn was also martyred. Then a Christian young man who was married before some time of वाक़या करबला. And when he came in the battlefield, he was not Muslim at that time. But when he got to know about Imam Hussain alayhi salam, he became Muslim. And then he fighted for Imam Hussain alayhi salam, but he fighted like that nobody was coming in front to fight him. Then they attacked from arrow, and at a time when he was not able to move also, they came front and they have cutten off his head. And then when they gave the head to her mother, she threw the head and said, "The thing we sacrifice for Islam, we do not take it back." So this was the story of the 3 martyrs of Karbala which I have presented today. Tomorrow I will present the martyr of Janab Habib ibn Mazahir. So I hope you all have liked this video, and if you all have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Zikr Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikr Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.